Looking for inspiration for your dream tiny house? Look no further than the Farallon. This incredible 218 square foot home boasts a stunning standing seam metal roof and siding exterior, perfectly complemented by a unique combination of wood and metal. The result is a truly modern and eye-catching aesthetic that is sure to impress. Whether you're looking for a cozy weekend retreat or a full-time home that's both stylish and practical, the Farallon is the perfect choice. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a tour of this amazing tiny house. If you love to cook, you'll appreciate the well-equipped kitchen in the Farallon. Featuring an Atwood propane range, apartment-size refrigerator, and a farm sink, this kitchen has everything you need to prepare delicious meals. And with plenty of storage space for your pots, pans, and utensils, you'll have no trouble keeping everything organized. But the Farallon isn't just about functionality, it also offers plenty of flexibility when it comes to living space. In addition to the comfortable sleeping loft, there's also a first-floor flex room that can be used as a bedroom, home office, or studio. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, this space can be tailored to meet your needs. So why wait? If you're ready to experience tiny house living at its finest, check out the Farallon today. The interior of this tiny house is designed with functionality in mind, featuring a custom couch complete with hidden storage compartments and a cleverly concealed coffee table. Need to get some work done? No problem. The Farallon also boasts a custom desk with a convenient hideaway for all of your belongings. And when it's time to relax, you'll love the entertainment area, which is perfect for an electric fireplace and television. Whether you're looking for a cozy spot to read a book or a place to watch your favorite movie, the Farallon has everything you need to feel right at home.